Hello once again, welcome to example 2 on the Pythagoras theorem that I started with you in the previous videos. In the previous videos, we started learning about Pythagoras theorem and we've done a detailed explanation on it, and also we've solved an example on it in the previous videos, and I hope you understood it and you enjoyed the lesson as well. So this is a continuation to solve another example with you so that you get a good understanding of it. Okay, so this is example 2 as you can see from the board, so it means we've already done example 1 in the previous videos. Okay, and I'll advise that you do well to watch the previous videos because the previous videos lays the foundation, okay, all the basic explanation and understanding that you need about the Pythagoras theorem. I've done all those explanations in the previous videos, particularly the first video. Okay, so do well to watch the first video, okay, so that you get a good foundation to be able to handle this session as well. And please don't forget to like the videos and also share them after watching. And if you are watching for the first time, please do well to follow the page as well. Let's go ahead and solve the example 2 that I have on the board. Okay, so example 2, it says we should find line AC in the figure below. Okay, so this is the diagram given and we are being asked to find line AC. Okay, so I've explained to you from the previous videos that the first thing that you are supposed to do, okay, anytime you are given a question on the right angle triangle which demands the use of the Pythagoras theory, okay, like this one, the first thing you do is to write down the Pythagoras theory formula down. Okay, that's the first thing. You write down the formula which says that the square of the hypotenuse should be equal to the sum of the square of the adjacent and the opposite. Okay, and I've explained the hypotenuse, the adjacent and the opposite to you in the previous videos. Okay, that's why I'm encouraging you to watch the previous video, okay, which is the first video that I did, okay, so that you can get the understanding of all these terms so that you can easily handle this session as well. Okay, so do well to watch the first video. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the formula down, okay, which says that the square of the hypotenuse should be equal to the sum of the square of the opposite and the adjacent. Okay, so the hypotenuse, which is the longest side, okay, which is line CB in this diagram. Okay, so I'm going to write down the formula. So line CB squared, okay, or someone can say line BC, okay, it's the same thing. Okay, and this mark represents line. Okay, so line CB squared should be equal to the sum of, so the CA here, line CA is the opposite. Okay, so it should be equal to line CA squared. Okay, or someone can say AC is the same thing. Okay, plus line AB squared, so line AB squared, okay, which is the adjacent. Okay, or someone can say line BA, which is the same thing. Either line AB or line BA is the same thing. Okay, so after you've put down the formula down like this, all that you need to do is to look to the diagram and input your values given. Okay, so if you look, we have CB here. Okay, and when we check, we have been given CB. CB is given to be 5 centimeters, so we write the value there. Okay, so you bring your 5 there, then you don't forget to bring your power 2, which is here. So 5 squared, okay, equals to, then I have CA here, and the CA, where is it? This is our CA, which you are looking for, which you don't know. Okay, please don't get confused. The line AC here is the same as what? CA. Okay, I've explained that to you. Okay, they are the same thing. Okay, so don't get confused about it. Okay, so this line AC, which you are looking for, is the same as the CA. Okay, so CA is the same as what? AC. It's the same thing. Okay, so in order for you not to get confused, let me clean it and write AC. Okay, so that nobody gets confused about it. Okay, which actually means the same thing, okay? But in order for you not to get confused, let me clean it and write my AC there, okay? So it's the same thing, okay? So now let's go ahead. So the AC, we don't know it, okay? Which is the same as the CA, okay? We don't know it, so let's write it down. So line AC square, which is what we are looking for, okay? Then plus the line AB, okay? Line AB has been given, okay, from the diagram. Okay, this is our line AB, is given to be 3 centimeters. Okay, so line AB is given to be 3 centimeters. So I'll put my 3 centimeters there. So 3. Then I'll bring the power 2, which is here. I hope you understand and you agree with me up to this point. Okay, now all that we need to do is to simplify further. Okay, so the 5 square means 5 times 5. Okay, please, 5 square doesn't mean 5 times 2. Okay, 5 square means 5 is multiplying itself 2 times, which means 5 times 5, which gives 25. Okay, so I'm going to have my 25 equals to, repeat your line, AC squared, which you have here, plus 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, so plus 9. Then from here, you just need to group like terms. Okay, so let me group like terms. So I have my 25 minus 9 equals to line AC squared, because this positive 9 will cross the equal sign to come and join the 25, which is here. It is positive. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative. When anything crosses the equal sign, the sign it has changes. Okay, so that's it. So when we subtract 25 minus 9, it gives 60. So my 60 will be equal to line AC squared. Okay, and we are looking for line AC, not line AC squared. So you need to do something to get rid of the power 2, which is here. And what you can do is to take square root of both sides. Okay, so I'm going to take square root of the 16 here equals to, then I'll take the square root of line AC squared also. Okay, so that this power 2 here can cancel the square root sign. Okay, so you have, let me continue from this side. Okay, so you have your line AC, okay, to be equal to square root of 16 is 4. I hope you agree with me. So you have 4 centimeters. You need to bring the unit. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's the answer for line AC. Okay, so it says you should find line AC, which we've done. So line AC equals to 4 centimeters. Okay, I hope the explanation was clear enough and you understood it as well. Please don't forget to like the video and also share the video as well. I'll see you again in another video whilst we solve more examples on this. Bye bye.